Hi everyone, welcome to Gary Mac Studio. Today I'm going to try something completely different. It may be stupid, but I'm going to try it and see. I'm going to try and take an arc welder and see if I can paint an image on a piece of steel with it. And I got my doubts if it'll work, but I think if I played with it enough, I might can make an image. Of that work. So we'll just see how this comes out here in just a moment. This is crazy. Today I want to try something a little different. I'm going to try and paint a picture using an arc welder on a piece of this is 8-inch steel plate. I hadn't measured it, but it's about a foot by foot, by 12 by 12 or 10 by 10, something like that. So let me crank up my arc welder here, and let's just see how this. Just zoom in a little bit closer there, and let's see if we can do something with it. I just wanted to see if I could make an image using a welder. I don't even know if that's going to be possible or not. It doesn't look that promising, does it? Not from this point of view. It can't get any detail on it. Can't get any detail on the thing. Well, if I used a MIG welder, it would work. I think I could be more precise with my lay down with it. Anyway, there's the first shot at it. We're going to try something else with it though. Let's see if we can make an image of some kind. All right, there you have it. I'm going to hook up my torch and heat the other side and let that flatten out. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to heat up the back side of this thing and flatten it out. I've got to change my cutting tip to this rosebud tip, and see if I can flatten that out a little bit. But you can see how that turns blue and purplish colors after that, when the air hits it. That's how I'm going to color. That's how I'm going to color the other side of this thing. I don't know if it's going to flatten out or not. I should have put some kerfs in this back side of this before I started. If I'd have took a grinder and because it's not flattening out at all. Well, we'll let that thing cool off, and I'll do a little grinding on it and see if I can make anything out of it. I don't know. It's warped up pretty bad. Y'all please subscribe to Gary Mack Studio. It sure would be appreciated, and hit the likes button if you would. And on this, I think if I took some thick steel and cut out the shape of those mountains and some trees and welded them to a substrate, and then use a TIG welder to put in some detail on them, I think I might be able to make something of that. I'm going to experiment some more with this. So y'all just stay tuned in, and we'll just see what happens on this thing. And I think I can make something of it. That didn't work, but I think I'll try something else and it'll work. Love y'all. Bye.